So look at here, chapter number 3, polynomial. In this chapter, polynomial, once again I am just to repeat the basics of this chapter. Okay, so try to understand what is the meaning of this. In this polynomial, chapter number 3, what is the main important things are there? You see first, so many things are there. Look at here. First, ax to the power of square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Okay, based on this is equal to 0. So now this x degree is 2, highest degree is 2. Then it is called as the polynomial of the polynomial degree of 2. Means what is the degree of the polynomial? If suppose they are asking the question in simple way, what is the degree of the polynomial? 2. Why? Because the highest degree means 2. So same in this case, if there is suppose ax to the power of 5 plus bx to the power of 3 minus cx to the power of 2 plus dx and e. They have some increases is there, terms are there. So means you see यहाँ पर degree is 5, here 3, here 2 and here nothing means 1. This is the polynomial. Yes, it is also polynomial. It is also polynomial. The polynomial with the two variables are there. With the two variables x and y. And this all letters A, B, C, D, E. This all are real number. What we call? Real number. And based on this E, yeah, here C, that is constant term. What we call? Constant term. So now, if suppose I am asking about this one, what is the degree of this polynomial? 5. Any doubt? No. Everyone understood? Yes. Now I am asking simple questions. Suppose 3x to the power of 4 minus 5x to the power of 3 and minus of 2x minus 3 is equals to 0. Now I am asking simple questions based on this. What is the degree of the polynomial here? 4. Very good. And next question. What is the coefficient of? What is the coefficient of x to the power of 4? What is the coefficient of x to the power of 4? Why? Because x to the power of 4, how many x to the power of 4 are there? 3. Okay, so you have to write here 3. And now same question, what is the coefficient of x to the power of 2? Any power is 2 is there? No. So means in this case you just write directly 0. Got it? If there is 2 means you can write. Otherwise if there is no 2 means you can write the 0. Means which term is they are asking, like in the coefficient form. Now one more coefficient form is there. X to the power of cube. Yeah, x to the power of 3. Minus 5. Because of you should be see the sign also. Here nothing means plus. That's why we are putting there plus. Here minus means you have to keep here. Minus 5. Any doubt? No. Everyone understood? Yes. And now next thing. This is coefficient. And now one more question they are asking. What? First, what is the degree of the polynomial? And second question, what is the coefficient of that? And third question, constant term. What we call? Constant term. What is constant term? Very good. Minus 3. Without variable. Without variable, only numerical form with any sign plus या minus. You just write there. Okay? Any doubt? No. Everyone understood? Yes. Simple ना बेटा? Yes. कितना आसान है? अगर जो चीज पावर में पूछे, जो चीज पूछा गया वो लिख देना अपन. कोएफिशिएंट का मतलब ही होता है वो कितने बार है. अगर सपोज कई लोग जैसा ऐसा लिख देते x to the power of 3 plus 2x cube minus 1 is equals to 0. अब मैं पूछा what is the coefficient of 3 नहीं लिखेंगे या 2 लिख देंगे. What is the coefficient of x cube? अरे सर यहाँ कुछ भी नहीं है ना. आप तो बोले थे बाजू कुछ नंबर रहना. अरे भाई नंबर रहने की बात नहीं है, काउंटिंग करना है. तो how many times of x cube, how many times of x square and how many times of x to the power of 4. तो यहाँ पर x cube how many times there? 3. Beside of x cube is how many numbers are there? वन ओनली। वेरिएबल कितने हैं यहाँ, ये टर्म कितने हैं, ओनली वन। ये पावर में 3 है, डिग्रीज है वो। ओके, यू शुड सी द डिग्रीज दैट इज कॉमन, बट इसके बाजू वो डिग्रीज टाइम्स कितने बार है वो, तो एक्स क्यूब हाउ मेनी टाइम्स, 1 टाइम, या उसको उसके बाजू वाले नंबर को भी हम कंसिडर कर सकते, कुछ भी नहीं है तो 1। ओके राइट, एनी डाउट, राइट डाउन फास्ट।